All right, guys, we are on a new construction site, so it gets a little noisy here sometimes. Also, we are looking at the Queen Palm. It's got a beautiful grand entrance. It is under construction, actually, not contract, sorry. Trying to put it under contract. Let's check it out. Right now, as you can see, we have it studded walls. Let's see if this door works. Yep. This is the laundry room. Big laundry room. This will be the master. Closets to the right and left. Big master. I do have another one that I videoed that you get a little bit better outlook there. There'll be a tub, big walk-in shower, double vanity. It's a little difficult sometimes to see on these construction videos until we get some walls up. You got a big great room, 12-foot ceilings, which are nice. Gigantic lanai, good spot on the lake. We'll spin around here so you can see kitchen straight ahead. So you can see how big this room is. Pretty big, nice size room. Going to have full-size tub or bath with the tub. Study or bedroom. That's the main entrance. Then we'll have another bedroom here. Another bath, full size. And then another bedroom. It's gonna be a great property all in all. I'll come back and video it when we're a little closer. But right now, this is what we have. And beautiful home. Guys should take advantage of it now.